Welcome to the last session of angular measurements. Today we are discussing about angle gauge, spirit level, clinometer and angle dekkor. Angle gauges are like slip gauges, but here these are stacked to build the required angle to the nearest 3 seconds. So the least count of angle gauges are 3 seconds. So they are made up of a hardened steel and seasoned carefully to ensure permanence of angular accuracy, and the measuring faces are lapped and polished to a high degree of accuracy and flatness like slip gauges. The flatness of the faces are within 0.0002 millimeter or otherwise 0.2 micrometers, and the angle between the two ends are up to finished up to plus or minus 2 seconds. Another feature of angle gauges is that it can be stacked in two directions. In first case, we can see that this 30-degree angle gauge and 3-degree angle gauges are stacked in same direction. This is actually showing the direction of included angle. This symbol is showing the direction of included angle. So here both the angle directions are same. So this total angle is added up and we'll have a total of 33 degrees. But in the second case, you can see that this direction of included angle is here it is like this. But in the second angle gauge, it is like this. That is just opposite. That means the total angle means it is 30 degree minus 3. Now it has to be deducted. So the net angle will be 27 degree. A 13-piece angle gauge set is a common one. So the various available angle gauges are shown. We have got in degrees 1, 3, 9, 27 and 41, and in minutes it is available in 1, 3, 9 and 27. Again in seconds it is available in 3, 6, 18 and 30. So the accuracy is within 3 seconds. So within the accuracy of 3 seconds, any angle can be built using this 13-piece set. And the picture of this 13-piece set is shown over here. In order to make any angle, we have to use a parallel straight edge like this, and also we have to use a square block along with this 13-piece set. An example of making a particular angle, here it is 57 degrees, 34 minutes and 9 seconds. Using this 13-piece set is illustrated here, and you can see that the degrees are made with the 41 degree, 27 degree and minus 9 degree. That means minus means it has to be stacked in opposite direction, then plus 1 degree minus 3 degrees. So total will be 57 degrees, and it is also shown over here 27, 41, 27. This is minus 9, this is 1 and this is minus 3. And in minutes it is 27, 9 and minus 3 plus 1. It is total of 34 minutes. It is also it is shown here in the picture. Then the seconds, it is 6 seconds plus 3 seconds, it is 9 seconds. So that is also shown over here. So this stack, the total angle will be 57 degrees, 34 minutes and 9 seconds. Here it shows another example of making an angle of 102 degree, 8 minutes and 42 seconds. Here it is an obtuse angle that is more than 90 degree. So we have to use a square block of 90 degree in addition to the angle gauges from the 13-piece set. Next, we are considering the spirit level. So spirit level is an instrument designed to indicate whether a surface is horizontal or vertical. Okay, various applications are there for the spirit level. Some are there. It can be used to level large work pieces on machines such as planers. Then spirit levels are also used as building construction by carpenters and masons. Clinometer is another instrument which is used to measure unknown angles. Here, this is also using a spirit level along with the angle measuring equipment. The working of clinometer in measuring unknown angle is illustrated in this picture. This one shows the construction of the clinometer. Here it is having a housing, and one side of the housing forms the base, which is accurately machined, and on that it is having a circular scale which is actually graduated in degrees, and there is a spirit level, and spirit level is fixed on a rotary member, and this rotary member can be rotated in this direction or otherwise oscillated in this direction over the circular scale. And in the second figure we can see that it is used to measure uh, the unknown angles of a surface. Here you can see that this base is actually fixed over the unknown, the surface to be measured, and the spirit level is actually this arm rotary member is rotated such that the spirit level will be shown parallelism. Okay, it should be parallel if the bubble inside the spirit level will be at the center. So it should be adjusted that such that this rotating member will be parallel. So once it is parallel, then we will take the measurement as the theta. And here this is another side. Here also we are making it parallel using the spirit level, and this angle is measured as phi, and the angle measured should be alpha. Our angle, the angle to be measured is alpha, so the alpha is given by 180 minus theta plus phi. Finally, we are discussing about angle dekkor. Angle dekkor is an optical instrument which is used to measure small angles within an accuracy of 1 minute. And it is also used for measuring or checking the flatness of a surface. So this working is explained like this. It has got a light source, and using a prism it is reflected, and it is now this light is passed through a illuminated scale. So this illuminated scale, image of the illuminated scale is projected by this light, and this projection of the illuminated scale is collimated by a lens, and it is made reflected from the surface of the workpiece. And after reflecting the surface of the workpiece, it is again collimated by this lens, and it is now incident over a fixed datum scale which is on the table. So on eyepiece, the image we are receiving is illustrated over here, and this parallel scale, which is actually graduated from 0 to 60, and one division is equal to 1 minute, is representing this fixed datum scale, and the vertical scale. Okay, this vertical scale is actually the illuminated scale by the light. So it is actually crossing like this, and before measuring a workpiece, we have to calibrate this one with a non-flat workpiece or a flat slip gauge like kind of thing. So it has to be initially this cross point should be marked, and the second stage we have to replace that datum surface with the workpiece. Then again we have to check whether it is instead of crossing at the same point or otherwise somewhere else. If it is moving somewhere else like this, so this is will be the angle of deflection, the angle to be measured, and that angle can be measured by counting the divisions. Each division, the least count is equal to 1 minute. So number of divisions will give you what is the actual angle of the surface. By this we are completing the angular measurements. Thank you for watching.